Hello, welcome to Inkybay Product Customizer's video. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Inkybay and make a customizable product and let your customers customize their product and place an order. So this is my product and this is the product page before installing Inkybay. So let's go to Shopify App Store to install Inkybay app. So now here I need to search Inkybay. Now from here you need to install this app. You need to click install, and from here you need to click install. So from here you need to choose your package. You will see that it offers 4 packages: starter, advanced, professional and unlimited. Since all the features are available in the professional package, I'm choosing this plan. But in the unlimited package, you will see all of the things: the storage, the customizable product, the orders are unlimited. But for this video, I am choosing the professional plan. Now from here, your app has been installed. Now if you click create a custom product, you will come to the Inkybay admin panel's product section. So from the dashboard, you can see the overview of your store from here. So from products, you will see all of the products from your Shopify store. Now for example, I want to make this product customizable. From here I need to make it customizable. So from here I need to click this button, make it customizable. From here you can see the product sizes. Suppose you have sizes small, medium, large. You can choose the sizes from the preset sizes, or you can create your own sizes. But for this video, I am choosing the no size set option. Then comes the printing type and pricing option. You will see some preset printing types available. But if you want to offer your own printing type, you can create your own printing type from here. In the printing types section, under the basic pricing, you will be able to add all of the customization fees that you need from here. Then comes the printing colors option. Here you can add as many printing colors as you want from here. Also you can assign extra prices for your printing colors. Then comes the price per color option. Then comes the price per size range, and then comes the restriction option. Now we have a detailed help documentation on all of these features. I'm going to provide the link with this video. You will find the link somewhere above. So after that comes the color set option. Now from this section you can set your product colors. You can either choose from existing color sets, or you can create your new color set from here. Now you can set the product colors in 2 ways. One is when you have product images for individual colors, then you need to add the color, and in the image, instead of color option, you need to set this as yes. And another one is when you have only one image and you want the app to change the colors automatically. For this video, I'm going to use the second option. So I'm adding the product colors. You can also assign different prices for your color sets. Then you need to save the products. For details, please check the link above. Now from the advanced settings option, here you need to upload your product image. You need to upload a background removed white PNG image from here. You can also add new sides if you have different sides for your product, for example front, back, left, right. So I'm just using one side. After that I need to set the print area from here. From here you can set the printable areas on which customers will add their designs. Then I need to click save. Now my product setup is done. After that this pop-up will show. I need to click activate now. Then this product will be activated in the designer. Now in this section you can see some optional settings. You can either ignore this, or if you want to disable any options in your design lab, you can do that from here. or you can also set the inventory if you want. So I'm just gonna skip it for this video. Now let's go to the product page. Now if I reload the page, you will see a customize it button, and you can see Inkybay's color option. You can see the color of the product is also changing if I change the color from here. Then if I select the quantity and click this customize it button, it will take me to the design lab where I can customize this product. Now this is the design lab. I can add any text on it. I can add any images. I can either upload any logo if I want, or I can add the cliparts from here. Can change the color of the cliparts if I want. There are many additional options here. From the design lab, I can also change the product's color too. Now if I click this size and cart button, I can either place a code for this product, or I can directly place the order if my customization process is done. Now if I click add to cart button, this product will be added to the cart. Now if I place the order from here, you will go to the checkout page, and from here you need to complete the checkout process. The checkout process is done. Now if I go back to my Inkybay's admin panel and go to all custom order. Now from here you will see the order details that has been placed by your customers. You can see the order that I have placed just now. If I click on this, here you can see I can download the file in SVG or PDF format, or I can download it in PNG or JPG format. And here you will see all the order details, the product details, and the design details of this order. If I download this, you can see the order file is downloaded. Now if I go to the download option, you will see a zipped folder. If I extract it, you will see the design and all of the information has been downloaded. So I hope this video helps you. Thank you.